The Gledewen metal door handles feels solid and substantial, a clear upgrade over the fragile factory plastic pieces on older full-size General Motors trucks and sport utility vehicles. Fitment is very well covered, with the set tailored for a wide range of Chevrolet, GMC, and Cadillac models from the early 2000s, so you can replace both front exterior handles in one shot. The kit is thoughtfully complete, including a driver's side handle with a key cylinder, a passenger side handle, matched lock cylinders, keys, and mounting hardware, so you are not hunting for extra parts. Installation is straightforward for a do-it-yourself owner, since the handles are built to original dimensions and line up cleanly with the factory mounting points and linkage. Build quality is impressive for this category, with sturdy metal construction and tight tolerances that give the doors a reassuring, precise feel when you pull them. For aging Silverado, Sierra, Tahoe, Yukon, Suburban, Avalanche, and Escalade vehicles, this pair offers a practical way to restore exterior door function and appearance without resorting to flimsy aftermarket plastic.